Hello, everyone, and good morning. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
And I'm Evan.
Thank you for coming to our Saturday help session. We will start by presenting a tutorial that we have made.
Today's tutorial is about some tips and tricks on Zoom backgrounds. So many people are using Zoom right now, so why not make it easier and more fun to use? After the tutorial, we will create breakout rooms to answer any of your personalized technology questions. Please remember to keep your mic muted and video off. Let's begin. Get creative with Zoom backgrounds, presented by ITeens.
What are Zoom backgrounds? Zoom has a feature you can use while in meetings that will allow you to change what your background is. We will be going over how to use these.
Zoom backgrounds are generally simple to use, but we have some features and tips you can learn, like how to use Zoom backgrounds, how to use Zoom backgrounds with a green screen, some suggested Zoom backgrounds, and mirrored Zoom backgrounds.
How to use Zoom backgrounds. Step 1. Once you are in your meeting, press the small caret next to the video button. Step 2. Then press Choose Virtual Background button.
Step 3. Now choose a preset Zoom background.
If you would like to add your own background images, click the Add Image button after pressing the small plus button on the right side.
This will allow you to choose images from your documents, camera roll, and pictures on your desktop.
Before we move on, are there any questions?
How to use Zoom backgrounds with a green screen. Zoom also allows you to use a green screen when using a background. Here's how to utilize this feature. Step 1. Open up the Zoom settings again by pressing on the small caret next to the camera icon.
Step 2. Select the I have a green screen button if you have a green screen in your background. Note, if you do not have a green screen but the option is selected on settings that you do, your Zoom background will not function properly. A green screen helps the computer precisely cut out your background from the main subject.
Some suggested Zoom backgrounds. If you are in a professional meeting, try switching up your backgrounds to look more prepared. We recommend a background of an office or a bookshelf like these.
If you are in a non-professional meeting, try switching up your backgrounds to look more fun or festive. We recommend maybe an upcoming holiday or a topic or show you enjoy.
When on Zoom, the setting of your view may be in mirror view. So when you see yourself, it will look like you are looking in a mirror. But when others see you in their screen, it will be the opposite.
So when and if you have words on your background, just know that your words are in the correct direction on other people's screen.
Your words correctly on your own screen, try changing the mirror view. Here's how to do this. Step 1. Press the small caret next to the camera icon. Step 2. Now press the video settings button.
This should take you to the video settings where you can change your mirror view. Step 3. Your view for others will always be non-mirrored, but if you would like the view of yourself to also be non-mirrored, unselect the Mirror My Video option.
We hope you all enjoyed
the
our tutorial.
tutorial.
Please type ask in the chat box to enter into a breakout room. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.